62, then Obure Chris, 445, Mbaki, Ezekiel Macho, 63, 67, 6,367, Onchiri, Joshua, 61, Gabe Samson, 307, Onyancha Josiah, 87. The total valid votes in that constituency were 35,998, and the rejected ballots therefore were 314. We go to Obasi. Obasi constituency is code number 264, and the total number of polling stations there 228. Total registered voters in that constituency 26,060. Arati poll Simba garnered 56,833, and Nyamwea Manson 1,198. Obure Chris 3,603. Baki Machogu 5,409. Onchiri Josephat 166. Onkeri Samson 295. Onyancha Josiah 96. Total valid votes in that constituency for this position was 67,513. Rejected ballots 709. We go to Omachoge Churches, the code number being 265. Total number of polling stations 98. Registered voters are 49,301. And Arati for Simba garnered 24,198. Oyongo Nyamwea Samson 3,064. Obure Chris 547. Mbaki Ezekiel Machogu 4,605. Onchiri Josephat 44. Ngeri Samson 162. Onyancha Josiah 52. Total valid votes in that constituency 32,672, and the rejected ballots were 315. We go to Nyaribari Masaba. The code is 266, and the total number of polling stations 150. Registered voters there 68,593. Arati for Simba 16,062. Nyamwea Manson 1028. Obure Chris 494. Mbaki Ezekiel Macho 23,253. Onchiri Josephat 101. Ongeri Samson 1,663. Onyancha Josiah 75. Total valid votes in that constituency 42,676. Total rejected ballots in that constituency 548. We go to Nyaribari Churches. Code is 267. Number of polling stations 181. Total number of registered voters 88,553. Arati for Simba 30,126. Nyamwea Manson 1131. Chris Obure 747. Baki Ezekiel Machogu 20,354. Onchiri Josephat 131. Ongeri Samson 492. Onyancha Josiah 122. Total valid votes in that constituency 53,103, and the rejected ballots were 800. We go to Kitutu Church North, code being 268. Number of polling stations 117. Total registered voters 56,917. Arati for Simba garnered 25,172. Nyamwea Manson 1,399. Obure Chris 1,315. Mbaki Ezekiel Machogu 6,133. Onchiri Josephat 122. Yes Samson 229. Onyancha Josiah 86. Total valid votes in that constituency 34,456. Rejected ballots were 528. Kitutu Church North, which is the ninth one and the last one? South. Right? Okay, let's go to South. Kitutu Chacha South, the code is 269. Total number of polling stations 126. Registered voters are 66,908. Arati for Simba Ghana 31,985. Yamaya Manson Yongo 1,625. Urekris 1,494. Baki Ezekiel Mashogu 5,209. Konchiri Josephat 92. Ongeri Samson 209. Nasa Josiah 89. Total ballot was that constituency 40,703, and the rejected ballot were 450. Ladies and gentlemen, let me